Hey, it's James Potenza, the Houston new home realtor. Today we're at Meridiana, and this is a David Weekley home, Baileywood floor plan. It's in the beautiful section of Meridiana, and we're just going to take you through this model home. And I wanted to show you some of the amenities that they have, including the air-conditioned attic space. A couple of builders are doing that, but I wanted to go over that, and we'll take you up there and take a look at that as well. So if you're new to my channel, I'm glad you're here. Welcome. I provide the most timely content on YouTube with anything new construction. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll actually see homes just like this in the construction process, through the framing stage, foundation stage, and we can hopefully decide which builder is better just by watching the videos. I guarantee it's super educational, and I would love to be your personal guide to the best neighborhoods and the best builders in town. All right, so that was the David Weekley Baileywood floor plan in Meridiana, and I knew you guys would love this. Of course, I love the air conditioning space in the attic. It just makes it super energy efficient, and David Weekley has 6-inch exterior walls. Why is that good? More insulation, so they're super energy efficient. And I'm going to put my contact information right up there. And I just want to make sure that you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Go to my YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos of homes like this being built in the building stage. And it helps you make the right educated decision on which home builder, what neighborhood, everything you know before you go buy a brand new construction home. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.